Hello, I'm Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College, and I welcome you to another edition of Mondays with Mahan. Today my special guest is Mr. Mark King, who is one of our computer technology instructors here at Aiken Technical College. And Mark is here to talk to us about the computer technology program, but also emphasize the cybersecurity aspect of what we are able to offer. Well, Mark, welcome to Mondays with Mahan. Thanks for being with us today. Tell us a little bit about the computer technology program. How is it set up, and if somebody's interested in enrolling in it, how do they go about doing it?
Okay. Yeah, computer technology is a 2-year associate degree. It is split 2 ways, either programming or networking. The first year is about the same for everybody because most jobs that people get around here in the CSRA, you're not really a programmer, you're not really a networker, you're an information technology person. One day you may be making web pages, the next day hard disks, the next day you are working on cyber. And so we try to train people to do a little bit of everything here.
So now also there are some certifications you can get as well, correct? So you may not want to take the full 2 years, but these are job-ready credentials, correct?
Right.
Can you give us some examples?
Yeah, sure. On the programming side, we have internet programming, and on the networking side, we have cybersecurity. These certifications are good. They're mainly the upper level classes. They're really aimed for people who are switching careers. So for example, if somebody is a nurse or a school teacher and they want to switch careers to cyber or to programming and they already have an inside track where they are, then there really is no need for them to go back and get a whole 2-year degree. They would just take the classes that they would need just to learn the material for their new job, get a piece of paper from us, maybe take an industry certification, and then they're good to go.
So cyber is a real big growing industry in our region with everything going on over at Fort Gordon, but also the growth into the area of North Augusta and into Aiken County as well. So what type of certification, tell me a little bit about that certification and how long does it take to get that specific certification? Because that can get somebody into the workforce pretty quickly, correct?
Well, again, it's kind of a give and take thing. There are, the certificates are aimed for people who already have degrees. Now, having said that, if you get an associate degree in computer technology networking, you'll pick up the cybersecurity certification as part of it. So you will take all those classes that you would take in the cybersecurity certificate itself. It's about 8 classes, takes about a year and a half to do if you're going part-time. The cybersecurity certificate is based upon the philosophy it takes the thief to catch a thief. And so that is what cybersecurity is all about. We teach basic network security. We teach how to do offensive and defensive hacking. Let's see, there is a lot of jobs that are in information security assurance, not just penetration testing. There are cybersecurity jobs that are basic information technology. There are penetration tests, and so it's a very wide field. It's a subset of networking. We don't want to make it just cybersecurity because then students might miss out on entry-level jobs, for example, in network technician or in network admin. We want our students to be able to bid on all of those. And so if somebody comes here fresh out of high school, 18, 19, 20, we really try to steer them toward the associate degree in networking because we have real good success with that for putting them into all types of entry-level jobs.
So really what you've got is a program that is very flexible and is very much meeting the needs of today because there's always talk about potential cyber hacks in banks.
Yes.
The oil pipeline situation, we had a lot of supply chain issues that resulted from hacks that took place. So these jobs are jobs that are 2 years for a degree or certifications that are really well paid jobs and you can work pretty much from anywhere.
Right, and unfortunately business is booming in that and it's not going away.
And as we see the infrastructure of cyber grow, then the cybersecurity element is going to become all that much more important.
Right.
Especially with hackers and people who are trying to use email phishing schemes and stuff of that nature. So, well, Mr. King, thank you for being with us today. Anything else you'd like to add about the program?
No, I mean we've had good success with it. We think the students enjoy it. It's not the easiest program in the world, but if students come here and apply themselves, they can do very well.
So if you'd like some more information, please check us out at atc.edu or come on campus and maybe get a tour of our labs, and Mr. King will be glad to show you around. And so thank you, Mr. King, again for being with us. This has been another edition of Mondays with Mahan. We hope to see you very soon and introduce you to an exciting new career path in computer technology. Thank you.